Are you knowing who is your target audience who needs to consult you? Are you knowing when, where, and how to promote yourself? I'm sure most of you have no answers to it. And I'm very sure that most of you do not know exactly what to do. What is numerology? Just by adding an alphabet or removing an alphabet means numerology? Does it mean that there are 9 planets and certain alphabets are assigned to it and you can add and deduct those letters from your name and that makes you numerologist? Are you a successful numerologist? Are you knowing who is your target audience who needs to consult you? Are you knowing when, where, and how to promote yourself? I'm sure most of you have no answers to it. And I'm very sure that most of you do not know exactly what to do. There are various courses available doing crash courses. But does that really help you? No, it doesn't help you. What is numerology? Numerology is a science, how it is to be applied. The basic fundamentals of the numerology could be same, but the way of application is different. Do you need someone in your life to mentor you, to take you ahead, to tell you exactly how to move ahead and promote yourself as a numerologist or launch yourself as a numerologist? Yes, you get me right. Then this is the only place where you should be joining it and knowing more about it. OVV just not teaches you this subject, but it teaches you beyond it. It mentors you. It brings out the inner qualities. It brings out your strengths and works on your weaknesses. That's how a numerologist should be. If I didn't know how to work on my weaknesses and build up my strengths, how could I be here today? So simple. Until the time you don't fail, you don't fall, you don't know how to rise it. Making a mistake is not a mistake. Mistakes are the best teachers. So do make mistakes. Don't be shy. Come up, put yourself in front, and let people know about you. Roar and tell people that here I am, here I exist. But that needs a correct name. That needs in-depth understanding of the subject. That needs the right attitude towards learning a subject. Knowing the subject doesn't help you. That can give you any book. But right mentorship is always needed. A mentor is just not going to give you the subject knowledge, but guide you, promote you, and make you more focused and make you more successful. So come on, what are you thinking? If you are wanting to be one of this, then join OVV. OVV, the Mastermind Numerology course, coming up in the month of October. To know how do we teach it, what do we teach it, join our basic class at just rupees 550 just to get a feel and understanding of it. I am sure that's not going to pinch you, but definitely that's going to bring more to it, more than the subject. I hope to see you soon, and if you want to join it, please click the link below and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and do subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching me.